Three Dots in a Dash is a name inspired by a greatest cocktail creator, Don Beach combo. It is also a Morse code for letter V, which stands for victory. The story goes like he created this drink as a tribute to American soldiers who fought in World War. Tiki cocktails, we are the first tiki bar in India and Bangalore. Tiki cocktails are mainly made with rums and they are strong. So it's one of the reasons why people keep coming back, because we use good rum and then the cocktails come out to be strong. Pineapple Paradise is one of our tropical signature cocktails of Three Dots in a Dash, and it's one of the fast moving cocktails what we have here and we're absolutely proud of.
Hey Rahul, how are you doing?
Good. That's Three Dots in a Dash zombie punch.
Wow, sounds interesting. Can we have?
Please do.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
I get the nice punch of your zombie, your rum and bitter. Very spiky.
Yep.
I think the flower adds a nice charm to your cocktail finish. It gives a more dry and a sweet and sour touch to it. It's excellent, superb.
Thank you so much.
So what I'll do is deconstruct it and probably give it in a soup form.
That sounds
Not done
interesting.
before. We'll add some crushed ice to the soup plate. Just taken some fresh fruits, you added some fruit juice. Give it a charm. Oranges, so that the ice cubes get a flavor of our juices. Yep. Add a little bit your pineapple juice. Add a bit of your orange juice. Take in a little bit of brandy. Some of your triple sec, just to give that orangey flavor. To give it a slight little stir, so that the juices and the ice gets mixed properly. So why we are doing this deconstruction is zombie is supposed to be strong. This is exactly opposite of making it lighter and like a detox starter. Add some, we have detox starter. So we'll have a soup which is served like your starter. Some bitter, 2 dash, just to celebrate your dash and the dot. Take in a little bit of grenadine, give it a simple stir. Take our mint leaves, drop it there, clear. A nice flower at the side. We'll serve a simple garlic bread at the side. The speciality of this cocktail is it can be served as a cold scoop or cold soup at the beginning. And it's fun to have a soup of that style because it is thick, enriching, and to some extent reduces the effect of having a traditional zombie cocktail. Cheers.